excited to start my junior year.
A little nervous, but I'm excited.
It's kind of sad that the time that I have here is also going to be the same time that I have left, but making the most of it and making all the memories I can while I'm here.
To have Lockheed Martin come in and have a challenge just like this, it just reaffirms my decision of coming here to Alabama, how strong of a school this is, how great the student body is.
Imagine what one university can do when it is a community that is united. That is our future. We can do more, and we will do better together. Thank you for making the University of Alabama such a special place, and Roll Tide. Thank you.
University of Alabama has been selected to perform in the 2020 Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade.
Intensity. And Matt Jones going downtown here on the first play to Judy. And there he goes. Goodbye, Jerry Judy. 85-yard touchdown.
Wendell opened doors for generations to come. And it is truly fitting that now he becomes the first to have his jersey retired and hung in the rafters at Coleman Coliseum.
Face shields was something that we could really get into very quickly, and so that's where we started our efforts.
We remain strong. We remain determined, and we remain a community.
We will get through this unprecedented time together.
We're still tied together. Roll Tide.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide.